Okay, I got 4 locks, but one of them's on the other end. Doesn't matter. I will fucking do you. Ah! I did 4 locks! I got 4 locks left. I got 2 more. Oh, dude, I've got 2 more locks. Oh no, I've only got 4 lock picks.
Get more.
I don't even want to do it. It's impossible. I've done 4. I got 1 more! I got 1 more! But it's in the middle! It's in the middle! It's in the middle! It's in the middle of the trail! Oh my god.
I know.
Ah. This music, fuck this music. Uh oh. Did it again. I knocked it out. Son of a bitch! That's it. Failed.
It's back to the
239 lockpicks later.
on your donkey.
Hey, but at least I got better at it.
How many skill points did you get?
0.
But you yourself, bro.
I need to get my pilfering to 100, I think. Cause my parent skills limit it.
Yeah.
I need to get my pilfering to 100. I need to steal from you for later. Dude, I was so close. You don't understand. Oh my god. From 30 lockpicks here, I got 3 locks down. I mean, I wasted basically 100, yeah, on the first one.